They say good things happen to those who wait, and that's exactly how I describe my life. My name is Claudia Sharwood, and I'm a formulator at FMC's manufacturing plant in Wyong, Australia. I'm the first female formulator at the plant, and I'm proud of it. I had a really hard time choosing my career path, and I had no idea what I wanted to do. I tried a lot of different jobs. I worked in cafes, restaurants, and I really would just want my day to end before it even began. When my partner and I moved cities, I got a job at FMC as a casual worker through a recruitment agency. As a newbie, I did face some challenges, but I was assigned to a mentor. He genuinely cares about my learning and my growth, and he has inspired me so much. I have always been really curious to know the hows and whys behind things, and he was the perfect person to teach me everything about my line of work. Within 3 weeks of joining FMC, I actually was offered a full-time permanent job, and it felt amazing because it meant that my hard work and enthusiasm had been recognised. I used to think that manufacturing was a dirty and dangerous place to work, but ever since working on the Wyong site, I realised that it was just a misconception. The company has invested in new technology to make the job a lot easier and safer for operators like me. Each area of formulation has been risk assessed for safety hazards. We also have safety officers who come to site and conduct regular checks. Some people may think that I can't possibly excel in a male-dominated industry, but I didn't care because this is where I wanted to be. As a young woman coming into a new workplace and a new industry, I felt like I had a lot to prove. I had to prove that I can do this job as well as a man. I love to keep fit and healthy. The positive work environment leaves me with the time and the energy to do things outside of work. I have many female mentors here at FMC. They support me and they help me grow. I would love to be a better leader like them, realise my goals and be the best version of myself. I have 3 younger sisters at home, one of them who is now 18, and she had no idea what she wanted to do with her career, so I did suggest that she explore the manufacturing sector. Now she's entered the industry and she has never been happier with where her career is heading. It means a lot to me that my younger siblings really look up to me and I'm able to inspire them. Over the next couple years, I want to understand how all the different departments work. I want to learn everything about the plant's operations and interact with more people around the company. If I had to say something to women considering manufacturing as a career, I'd say go with your heart, trust your gut, find a support system, work hard, and you'll be rewarded on so many levels. I'm Claudia Sharwood, and I'm a trailblazer at FMC.